Hi there, I'm TechEd Kirsch, and in this video, we're going to be talking about one of the most exciting and rapidly developing fields in technology, artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? At its core, AI refers to the ability of machines to learn from and adapt to data that performs tasks that would normally require human intelligence. AI is being used in a wide variety of industries today, from healthcare and finance to transportation and manufacturing. Some examples of AI include image and speech recognition, like Siri for example, natural language processing, like the super popular ChatGPT, and autonomous vehicles, and that's your Tesla vehicles and other vehicles that are out there using some form of autonomous vehicle AI magic. So there are three primary categories of machine learning used in AI: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In addition to these, there are also other important subcategories and techniques such as semi-supervised learning, transfer learning, and self-supervised learning. Okay, let's talk about the three primary categories, starting with supervised learning. In supervised learning, the machine is trained on labeled data to make predictions or to classify new data. A good example of supervised learning in the tech industry is facial recognition, which is used to identify people in images or videos. So how this works is you'll show several images of faces and things that aren't faces, and the algorithm will learn and be able to predict whether the image is a face or not. Okay, so the next category is unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, the machine learns from unlabeled data to identify patterns and to make decisions. An unsupervised learning technique used in the tech industry is clustering website visitors into segments for personalized marketing campaigns. So Facebook pixels that entrepreneurs use to do their Facebook marketing by identifying target audiences. So how this works is you'll provide information about each website visitor, and it will cluster them into groups based on the characteristics of each group. The third category is reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, the machine learns by trial and error to maximize rewards for a specific task. For example, AI has been used to train robotic systems for space exploration through trial and error, allowing them to adapt to new environments and tasks. So great examples would be any Voyager kind of machines or robots that you'd send to Mars or some other planet or to the moon to traverse the terrain and to find out what's going on there. Using a combination of supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and other techniques like transfer learning, engineers can generate 3D models that can simulate the stress and strain on objects, such as rockets in space. A recent development in space exploration highlights the power of AI in engineering. According to NASA researcher Ryan McClelland, traditional CAD engineers might complete an iteration every week or two. In contrast, AI can perform an iteration a minute, resulting in more optimal designs much faster through this evolved structures modeling process. This approach is not only 10 times faster in coming up with the structure, but the structures also perform much better, with an improvement of approximately 3 times in performance. So as AI continues to develop, its potential applications are limitless, and the various machine learning techniques will continue to evolve and contribute to the diversity of AI systems. Just from the few examples I gave you earlier, AI is already being used to solve complex problems, and it has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve our daily lives. In fact, with the arrival of ChatGPT, and now more recently ChatGPT 4, AI is already starting to transform the lives of marketers, business owners, and content creators. However, there are also concerns about the ethical and societal implications of AI, such as job displacement, privacy, and security issues. For example, in case there are any other AI language models that are being developed that are clones of OpenAI's ChatGPT natural language processor, but they don't have the ethical limits being put in place by their engineers, or if there are bad actors who are using the ChatGPT-like functionalities of natural language processing AI models to do things that they shouldn't be, or to potentially harm others, or to hack into systems. There have also been concerns about Microsoft's Bing using the ChatGPT language model and not having the correct handles on it to where the AI would lash out at people, and this would be arguably so, justifiably so, cause for concern. So it's still a lot of discussion going on about how quickly are we progressing with this artificial intelligence and machine learning. Are we putting the right brakes in place to allow us to safely continue to integrate AI into our lives? Or are they just going to, or is AI just going to become super intelligent and destroy us all? But anyway, that's a brief introduction into artificial intelligence. If you're interested in learning more about AI, there are many great resources available online, such as online courses, books, and tutorials. And speaking of tutorials, if you'd like to build an AI that can recognize images from a dataset and you just want to start playing with AI, then check out the video where I demonstrate that on the Hasofu Academy YouTube channel, where we talk about technology and its tutorials that get people from where they need to be to have the skills to be job ready in the tech industry. And if you'd like to stay informed about AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the tools out there that are using these kinds of technologies, just stay tuned for more videos on AI and other cool things in tech on the TechEd YouTube channel.